So, how do governor limits impact Salesforce development and architecture?
Well, governor limits are actually crucial in Salesforce because they ensure that resources are used efficiently on the multi-tenant platform. In a project I worked on for a retail client, we had to design a solution that involved complex data processing. We had to be very mindful of SOQL query limits and script limits. For example, we optimized queries to reduce the number of records processed and used bulk processing through batch Apex to handle large volumes of data efficiently.
That's interesting. Can you tell me more about how you optimize those queries?
Sure, we used selective filters and index fields to minimize the dataset returned by queries. Actually, one key optimization was using aggregate functions to process data at the database level rather than retrieving all records and processing in Apex. This reduced CPU time usage significantly. In one instance, this approach helped us stay comfortably within the 100 SOQL queries limit per transaction.
Optimizing queries is crucial. How did you handle situations where you approached other limits like DML or CPU time?
In those cases, we implemented asynchronous processing. For example, using Queueable Apex allowed us to handle DML operations outside of the synchronous transaction, which spread the load and avoided hitting limits. For CPU time, we broke down complex logic into smaller reusable methods and used custom settings to control the execution flow based on threshold values, which helped us stay under the 10-second CPU time limit.
Great. Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers governor limits comprehensively.